Here's a 2015 Jeep Cherokee. Upstate, downtown, off-road, on point. Embrace the adaptability to take on any project and adventure. You'll have maximum flexibility for cargo and a bounty of user-friendly technology, so you can get in and get going without hesitation. After all, it's ever ready for the restless. All-speed traction control, a tire pressure monitor, and LED daytime running lamps and tail lamps are always on the lookout. Bluetooth with voice command and Uconnect with the touchscreen display brings sophistication no matter how rugged it gets.
You wouldn't be on the job site without all the right tools. Be prepared with four-wheel drive. The heated steering wheel gives you another layer of comfort on those cold days. Hindsight is 20/20 with the backup camera.
Be part of the Jeep legend while creating your own. Take this Cherokee for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.